Hello, in this jQuery video, I am going to show you the document ready method. So the document ready method allows you to check when the web page has fully loaded in terms of the DOM. So that's the document object model. So you know all of the elements, all of the visual stuff has loaded, then it runs the jQuery or JavaScript code more specifically. The benefit of this is if you have some jQuery code or even JavaScript code that manipulates some of the HTML, you can't manipulate what's not, what doesn't exist currently. So if you have a complex website and your jQuery code or your JavaScript code might run faster than your web page can load, depending on your internet connection, for example, and and other factors as well, such as a server load, then the document ready will ensure that the web page has fully loaded. And you can put it anywhere you have some sort of script tag or a JavaScript file. And to do it is really simple. You just put $. So usually most things in jQuery are signified using $. And then you put document. So this is just saying we are selecting the document for some modification or to do something with it. I'm going to cover selectors in more depth, so feel free to check out those videos. .ready. So when it's ready, we are going to run a function. And now here, that's it. So this is just saying when the document is ready, run this piece of code inside. So we could do console.log I am ready. And if I reload, and this will appear straight away because our website doesn't really have anything on it, so we will load pretty much instantaneously. So that's the document ready implementation, which just means any code here will only get executed once the website has fully loaded. Therefore, you won't get any problems where an element that you might modify or add content to, maybe you load content from a database, add it into a table, but you'll ensure the table has been actually rendered and loaded first. There's actually a shorthand version of this as well that you can do. So if you do $, you generally only have one on the page, but I'll show you the shorthand version as well. And that's it. That's the shorthand version. I prefer the longhand version so I can see exactly what it's doing at a glance. I'll be like, okay, document ready. That's it. I just see those two words and I know what it is. Whereas with this, it might be a bit ambiguous. But apart from that, if I were to, just delete that, for example, it still works the same way. I'll leave both of them in, and you can choose from the source code provided which one you want to use. So that's the document ready method. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.